And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the foremost for web browsers on your Nokia C12. So the first one, Opera. In this web browser you have to click the tab icon, switch to private and add a tab by the plus. The next one, Firefox. If you see this welcome screen, just click zero mask. And that's it. If you have any tab open it, go to the tab icon, switch to zero mask and click on the plus private. The next one, Microsoft Edge. In this web browser, click on the taskbar icon, switch to private. I'm not sure why that doesn't work, but just click on the end private and add a tab by the plus. That's it. The next one and the last one, Google Chrome. Oh, sorry, I have to pass the setup. Click on the three dot icon or arrow icon if you have any update available and choose the new Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.